another rainy day here at the shop. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are enjoying the day. When you guys will be watching this, it'll be Tuesday, so Monday's out of the way. Keep on grinding, keep working hard, and enjoy your day. I was hoping to take the cow out and drive around a little bit today, but North Carolina weather has not failed me again, and it's raining. This is like day 6 or 7 in a row where it's rained, and we're in the shop here. I'm at my little desk in the shop hanging out with Phil's back there somewhere, Ben's over there somewhere, and we're all trying to get our own work done. Phil, as you guys know, does his own work here at the shop. He just works out of our shop. So if you guys are looking to have any work done, if you want a camshaft installed, if you want some other stuff, you can contact Phil, and he'll be able to hook you up. I'll link his Instagram right here, so get up with Phil for any of your needs. I know someone has contacted him inquiring about a LS swap and twin turbo kit for a older Camaro, which I think is badass. So if you are out there and you are the guy that contacted Phil, thanks for taking my advice and getting with Phil, and I'll help out with that where I can. Ben's over there working on the Grand National as well, and I am here. I've been sending out a bunch of emails, talking to some different companies, doing all of the background stuff that you guys don't see. That really is not that exciting to you guys, but I think it's very exciting because I like the whole business side of it. But I'm sitting here, it's raining, and I'm just like contemplating. I'm like, I was looking on online at some like RC gas-powered cars and trucks and stuff, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Can you guys help me out? Comment below. On days like today where it's rainy, do I need to have like a little like toy or something to have fun with, or go out there and I don't know. Just I don't know. Once it stops raining a little bit, we're gonna get brown sugar out of the trailer and look at the wiring on it, because the wiring has been a gremlin on it a little bit. And as you guys can see, we got the Silverback behind me. We're starting to take it apart and go over some things on it. So just kind of a bunch of little things going on today, and see how much work we get knocked out. But let me know, do you think I need to get like some ridiculous RC car that'll go like 80 miles an hour that I could like run into Wes's leg and break his leg, clean off his body? I don't know. Drop a comment below. I appreciate your input. All right. Oh God, I'm knocking. Oh God. Whoa, whoa, whoa. On the menu for today, measuring some push rod length. So these are the adjustable push rods sent to us by the guys over at Holbrook. They are all of the Hemi people's people, if that makes sense. So stick these in there, adjust them to length, then you set them up, make sure you get them right, tighten it down. We're gonna run over to Richard Coates Racing Engines. He's the guy that does all machine work. He's the guy that has Wes's engine. He is going to measure these. Now, he said he can only measure up to 12 inches. The intake one is just shy of 12 inches, and the exhaust one is about 13, but on something like this, I want to get an exact measurement. I know what you guys are saying, oh, let's get a ruler out. Well, we want to get an exact measurement, because messing with the valve train on this vehicle, geometry has to be perfect. So this is going to help us get the perfect geometry and make sure everything is good. So I'm going to load up, hop in the truck. It stopped raining for a minute, but as you can see by the ponds here, it's been raining all day. Phil is out in a 5th gen right there. I don't know if he's stuck. It doesn't have a tune in it. It has like a startup tune. Oh. Phil's gone. Turbo 5th gen. Oh, you can hear the turbo in it. Wow. Through the mufflers too. Very nice, very nice. So I'm going to run and get this stuff measured up. Other than that, busy day uploading a video to Facebook. If you guys don't follow me on Facebook, I do upload a lot of other content on Facebook. Some behind the scenes stuff, some other stuff. You know, keep it really fresh over there. So go follow me. The first link in the description is going to be to my Facebook page. What I'll do is I'll give away a t-shirt. Everyone go and follow my Facebook page. All the new followers that I pick up from now until Friday, I will enter you into a drawing to win a t-shirt. So everyone go, click the link, first link in the description, open up in a new tab so you can continue to watch this beautiful video, and then follow the John Doc Facebook page. All right, a little bit later in the day. Still raining outside. North Carolina is going to have the greenest grass ever. But, look at this. Ben, it's going back together. Finally. Finally going back together. We are still waiting on rocker arms. They should be here hopefully in the next couple days. We did get the right push rod length, which is very useful. The intake is 11.95. Sorry, the exhaust is 11.95, and the intake is 13.125.
Other way around.
Other way around. Just reverse that. I was close. I had a 50-50 shot. I started off correctly.
You did. Exhaust was longer.
Exhaust was longer. That's what we got going on with the G-body. But in other news, we have some turbos components that have arrived today. Damn, Wes. Killing it with the lazy look here on the rainy day. What do you call this look? Is this what you wear before you got to gap fill on wastegate? The smack talk has begun.
Not even talking smack, just talking the truth.
Talking the truth. What are you gonna do to poor Phil? Monique, which is the formal name of your car.
You thought Dump Master was bad.
Phil, what do you have to say to yourself?
About what?
About Monique supposedly putting the gap on you on wastegate.
You know, the thing that's going to save him is right behind him. No.
Oh. The Reed. Power Glide. You'd be in trouble then, Wes, but what are you doing? Is this about to get spicy in here?
Yeah, pretty spicy. Somebody better call a fire marshal.
The FAR? Spell that. F-A-R?
You're going to set this place on fire.
We're already on kill.
Far.
On kill.
Literally.
Literally on kill. We got Vince's car in here. You guys know VF Media. This gem here has been over so many mounds of dirt.
Oh, man.
What does Vince do with this thing?
He's a true outdoorsman. You know, he has this little... Does he have this little... Oh, yeah, look, come here. Yeah.
You couldn't even get it out of there. That thing's zip tied in.
How many holes you can dig with this son of a bitch right here? This is actually Vince's size.
Wow. Wow, Wes. So, you're replacing the steering rack in Vince's car.
The jam nuts are stuck.
The jam nuts are jammed.
The AC compressor's gonna go shit soon.
Is it? He's running AC way too long? So what's your strategy here?
He says I'm the only person in the shop that smokes. I lost my pack of cigarettes and it has my lighter inside the pack of cigarettes.
So we cannot ignite this.
So, yeah. So right now I'm on a mission to find a set pack of cigarettes. Like what?
Heat that up.
Whoa!
Oh, oh God! I thought I got you.
That's how people die.
But you are not getting that off.
No, I'm gonna get this.
Wait, what is it?
Watch this, Joe. What? What's that? What's that?
That's some witchcraft.
That's not even zero effort.
Wow. You're lucky I was here to coach you through this.
Wow, okay.
Will you turn that thing up?
It's turned up.
That's all she's got?
It's at max right now.
What is that, water on the ground?
No, it's PE glasses.
Is that not flammable?
Nah. Unfortunately.
I was hoping for way more excitement than this.
No.
God, you melted the ground, look.
Did it move or did the vice?
Right.
The vice, the...
Why don't you just get a hammer?
Oh, yeah!
Look at that.
Get it, Phil? Is it just moving? Oh, I thought you were... Phil has never been conquered by a nut before.
Yes, I have.
Alright, since Phil is over there fighting a steering rack, we're going to do turbo stuff, huh?
Turbo stuff on delivery to John Doc.
From Jose.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Whoa, whoa.
Whoa. We're on wheels here.
From Jose at Forced Inductions, which could only mean one thing.
Well, that means boost parts.
Boost parts. Here, you set that on the ground. We got a lot of boxes to go through here. We got 4 boxes, which means...
What's a Q-Bob?
You don't know what a Q-Bob is?
No, I don't know what a Q-Bob is.
Alright, let's start off with, let's start with the BOV.
The Bob?
The BOV. As you can see, I already opened this because I have zero patience. But look at this. Now, all this turbo stuff is for the Silverback Z06. So everything will be for a twin turbo setup, which is similar to what you're doing. You're doing twin turbo setup. You already have your turbos. Still waiting on the turbos, but we got the wastegates and blow-off valves. So, tile wastegates and blow-off valves. Right here we have the blow-off valve. This is a, I think it's a 50mm blow-off valve. And we got 2 of them. So, all the boost, all the time.
It's 100mm blow-off valve.
How nice is that? Just look at that thing. Made in the USA. You can't go wrong there. No China boy stuff on this car.
Here.
That's nice. That will. You got it off? Thanks for the update. You keep grinding, Phil. So we got this nice one of two. Look at that. Oh, you didn't even get to look at these yet, did you? Oh, well, surprise. That's a pretty nice looking bob, isn't it?
It is.
What you think? It looks just like the China one, but it's not the China one.
Made in the USA.
That's the first thing that we said. But wait till you see the wastegates. Which one did I open? This one. Look at this guy here. This guy looks massive.
It used to be.
Look at that. Oh, God. Losing stuff already. Take that. Oh, your hand's dirty? It don't matter. It's going on a car. That is nice. That's that's their 45
Yeah.
tile wastegate. Yeah, that's exactly how they work, Wes. You got it. Turbo engineer.
Enough turbo stuff.
How nice is that? Dude, look at the size of it compared to the cows. Those are Turbo Smart 40s versus a tile 45. That's a big...
Oh, you got a junior wastegate.
That's a big son of a gun, isn't it? Well, they're the same size. Look at how big the hat is on that, though.
Mm-hmm.
That's serious.
It's like a T3 flange.
It's large. That flange is bigger than this flange, isn't it?
Much bigger. That's what I was saying. The whole housing's larger.
Yeah.
Hold it side by side.
45.
I guess the numbers have a meaning, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, that thing is pretty serious. So, as you guys know, the turbo kit on the Silverback Z06 will be up for sale if you guys want it. It is a proven fast setup, but we're looking to take it to the next level. That's the only reason why we're changing the turbo kit on the Silverback. We want to go one level up, and the level that it was at was stupid fast street car, like true street car, drive it around all the time, mess around with it. But we're looking to go one step. We want to be like, we want to be the badass guys with tailpipes, is what we're going for. We want to be the, like,
have full tailpipes?
yeah, we're going out the back. We're gonna be like fastest tailpipe cars around. Is what we're going for. Yeah, that's what we're going for. So this is the basis of it. So we got some nice wastegates, some nice blow-off valves, and that's the start. It's what you build off of. We got some turbos coming from Jose at Force Inductions, but I can't tell you guys what they are yet. Once we get all that stuff in, Jason Brazel is going to take the car and do a custom turbo kit. As far as retaining AC up in the air, retaining stock radiator up in the air, we got this awesome shear fab. Have you seen it yet? You've seen the shear fab? How badass is the shear fab air to water? It's probably the nicest thing that you could buy for a turbo kit. It's a badass 2,000 horsepower air to water intercooler by shear fab, and right now we got the meat and potatoes of just a killer turbo kit. The engine in this car is very, 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 very strong. It's aftermarket block, so that's as far as I'm going to go into it, but it is it's ridiculous. But as you guys can see, not a lot of room in here, so Brazel is definitely going to have his hands full, but I think he is ready for the challenge. So a lot of work to be done on the Silverback Z06, but don't worry, we're going to cover it all. We got the first, well, I'll say the second step. The first step was getting the intercooler. Now we got all the other turbo components, just waiting on the turbochargers, and we will be good to go. So, more goodies, getting closer. Super badass. I know I'm dying right now because I want to do more than hang out in the shop and talk, but with this weather, that's really all that we could do. Trying to get ready for Street Car Takeover, trying to get ready for this race on 13th, a bunch of different things we got going on, and we're just trying to prepare for them. So for those of you guys that keep on viewing and keep watching, I appreciate your support. Back to editing for me. Wes, kind of all over the place, boring video, not too much going on, but gonna get started on your G-Body very soon. So for those of you guys that want to see a ground up build on a G-Body, Wes's car is gonna be coming in the shop. You're gonna introduce him with the name and the build and everything on your car?
Have you not told him yet?
I mentioned it in this video, but I don't know if they caught on.
So it's called Monique. We picked it up from the guy in Maryland, and he sent us this stack of receipts that was like, it had to be like 6 or 8 inches thick of receipts. And we went and pulled one of them out, and it was like an Applebee's receipt. And on the back of it,
But what were there was 2 drinks on there.
it was like some kind of like fruity drinks. And on the back of it, it said Monique, and it had a phone number up there. So,
Which, when you pull your first wheelie, you'll call her on the return road.
Yeah, that's what we're going to do.
So, your G-Body, it is an 86 Cutlass, like the most beautiful blue ever, calling it Monique, and doing a twin turbo LS, power glide, 8.8 rear.
Kind of simple, straight street setup, I guess.
Yeah, something that you can go out there and have fun with. I think we're going to build the turbo kit with an air-to-air intercooler.
Yeah.
And kind of like, I would say like, somewhere in between the boosted rooster and what the salted chicken would be.
Yeah.
Somewhere similar on the same playing field as the cow. Obviously, your engine bay is going to get better airflow, so you can get away with the air-to-air, but
A little bit lighter, so that'll be nice.
yeah, so you're looking to go, you know, cowish territory and have fun with it. So it's going to be a badass build. So if you guys are interested, keep checking out the videos. We'll have that coming to the shop here soon. You're excited about it? You already got a bunch of parts from TRZ Motorsports. We're going to run strange...
TRZ manual rack we have. Holly Terminator X coming in for it.
Engine, give them the engine specs.
It's a 408 with 4-inch crank, pistons, rods, half-inch head studs. Just picked up a Power Glide a few days ago.
So it's going to be a badass build. A bunch of Motion Raceworks parts going on it, a bunch of Strange parts going on it, a bunch of TRZ Motorsports parts going on it, and John from Huron Speed is going to help out with a bunch of other things. That is all that we have going on in today's video. Other than that, just kind of a shop update, kind of walking around, hanging out. I was doing a bunch of work on the laptop earlier today, getting the pushrod measurements correct, even though I told you guys them incorrectly, but we did get them correct. And yeah, we got a bunch of stuff going on. So I want to thank all you guys for watching. I promise tomorrow is going to be more exciting. I'm going to make sure it's more exciting because I need an exciting day. I just had kind of a boring day today. Just doing a lot of work, so we're gonna have fun tomorrow, so be sure to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you guys in tomorrow's upload. Wes, dab them their way out of here.